How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super slick 72 Nova SS. This is a K-code SS car done in a gorgeous Victory Red. Super nice car. Had a lot of nice upgrades. All the grill, the bumpers have been re-chromed. Grill's the original. It's got the halogen headlights. Car's real straight, flat down the sides. I actually got this from a gentleman I know. He's had the car, I believe it's been 15 years. It's all original body panels. The rear applique, the SS applique on the tail panel is the original. It shows its age. The rear bumper also looks like it's original, but excellent condition. See, the car's real flat, straight down the sides. And it's got a 383 aluminum heads, got Edelbrock heads, intake, Holly carb. It's got vintage AC and heat. He did a wheel wood master cylinder for the disc brakes up front. It's got all MSD ignition. He had the subframe all powder coated, the core support and inner wheel wells have all been powder coated. He's replaced all the interior in it. Did a real nice update with the Dakota digital dash. Headliner's real nice and tight. Got the bucket seats. Got original jacks, got matching spare there, original SS wheel. Got the paperwork on the dash and the vintage air. Car's real clean underneath. It's got all the front and rear seat belts in it. It's got nice billet AC controls, AM FM stereo with the iPod capability and Bluetooth. Again, it's a nice little 383. It's just a cool car right here. Sets right down. You did all lowering spindles in the front, the Detroit speed, lowering rear leaves in it. Backup lights, everything all work on it. So it's just a very nice car here. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com or visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.